Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Fit. In this video, we are going to see what are the effects and causes for the dehydration and how we can treat this in our home. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Whenever your body loses more water than it takes in, it may lead to severe dehydration. Although dehydration is quite common among all the age groups, when there is a reduction in the water content of the body, the salt and sugar balance goes down, which affects the normal functioning of the body. There are many factors that causes dehydration. Some of the reasons are diarrhea, vomiting, frequent urination, excess sweating, chronic illness and weather conditions. Dehydration, if it is untreated, it may lead to very serious problem and also a medical emergency. So for this, we need to do some of the home remedies. So first one is buttermilk. For this, you need a cup of buttermilk and half teaspoon of dry ginger. Mix the dry ginger in a cup of buttermilk. Consume this refreshing drink. So you may take this buttermilk for at least 3 to 4 times in a day to combat dehydration. Buttermilk is a natural probiotic. It is rich in minerals, that is potassium and magnesium, that are often depleted when you sweat excessively and become dehydrated. Tip number 2 is soups. Soups are good sources of nutrients that can help in dealing with dehydration and also its symptoms. The high content of potassium in the soups makes them an ideal option to restore the lost nutrients in your body. For better results, consume soups before you get into the workout session. Recipe number 3 is coconut water. You can consume the coconut water for at least 4 to 5 times a day for better results. Recipe number 4 is homemade ORS. For this, you need half teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of sugar and 4 cups of water. You have to do the simple thing, that is add the salt and sugar to the water and mix it well until they are completely dissolved. Drink this solution until the symptoms abate. So do this multiple times until you have consumed at least 3 liters of the solution in a day. So ORS stands for oral rehydration solution. The name itself gives away the use of this remedy, that is it treats dehydration problem. Consuming ORS is one of the best way to replace the lost fluids in your body. This is because the glucose content in the sugar used in the ORS helps in increased uptake of sodium and water that are lost due to dehydration. So, if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friends and family. Thank you. Stay fit, stay healthy.